Hello and welcome to the Picture Instruments Toolbox and the Markup tool. With our toolbox we want to make you working in Photoshop easier and faster. For example, you have a text where you want to work with a colleague together. So you got it here, and without explaining and creating new masks, you simply say, okay, that's all about I want to talk to you. Simply mark the stuff and copy it. In our markup tool here, you can copy and get a new doc from your clipboard. So back here you are. And then it's simply got a marker, a pencil, and shapes where you can mark your spot. The marker works like a regular analog marker. So if you mark an area, you still can read which is underneath. So for example, I want to point out his name and this line. It's really easy. With my pencil tool, I can say, okay, there's things we do not need. I can simply cut them off. So in this way I can set, even with different colors, different areas in the text. And before I, for example, explain somebody in your photograph, the left bottle is a little bit dropping to the side, I can simply use a shape and mark it so we know directly what we're talking about. So by this way, it's really easy to get your papers, your documents marked for the exchange. And the exchange is as easy as well. So for example, we got here an email, we want to send it. So you go simply a copy to clipboard, go back to your email, and you copy it in here. So easy it is to work with the markup tool within the Picture Instruments Toolbox.